This is from the Hoag Irvine emergency in December 24th, 2000, 2017. It says here less than 14 weeks and the rest of other stuff. And they are denying care because at the time when I was there, they knew I was pregnant, but I did not have, this is my record, I requested and gotten it. And I, even to this day, now it's from, this is December 24th, 2017, right? And now it is 2021, almost October. Today's September 30. And I am still in this state. If you can see my belly, I seen the baby and I felt him, but even to this day, I have no help. And it made it so difficult for me to work. And also, when the nurse grabbed my side on this day, December 24th, and grabbed my side, came from the behind, grabbed my side and lifted up, making the baby, shifting the baby to the left pelvic. In the 9-10 months, exactly as like clockwork, he would have been came to this earth, but he fell down to my middle of my thigh. And I'm dragging my leg, try to go to get help. If I would have cut in the skin at the time, perhaps I would have been able to have this child and holding him. And all, plus the child, stimulus till December I would be getting, but I got denied that. And poor baby is still stuck inside. There's no help. And then you can see the indentation on my arm where they drew the blood from 2 different veins. One on this side and one in the middle where it was a vein was the size of a needle. They took the blood from the 2 veins that was been a while ago. There's still the indentation. And then to this day, they still want to draw more blood, saying they checked to see if I'm pregnant. And I was just at the doctor last Tuesday on the 22nd. And he wants to draw blood to see if I am pregnant. I said, you can do that with the urine. And then I don't know why. I feel like I'm an experimental subject or what it is. And I'm still in this state. And the baby's still inside. And maybe it's God's grace. I don't know if he will ever be born and see the world or breathe air or anything. It's still inside. And no one would help me. Nazis, those failed healthcare system. This cruelty to humanity. Healthcare system that they, in Hoag Irvine, this healthcare workers, so-called nurses, would intentionally harm a baby in your womb. This is I guess it's a California, and that they do this. So I mean, maybe it's on purpose. Because of me, they deny in November of 2017, when I saw a doctor, they did a urine test. They got a computer printed out my urine sample, and they told me, they gave me they gave me tried to get me to do the ultrasound, and they would, because of my age, they told me not to eat or drink. I went on first week of December 2017, first week of Thursday and Friday, and they did not do my ultrasound, which if I had an ultrasound at the time, it would have confirmed my pregnancy, and I wouldn't have been in this predicament. But here I am in crisis, and this baby is still inside, and I don't know, hopefully this will expel on its own and we will be okay. But I feel bad. Sorry to this, but this is failed healthcare and healthcare professional workers. Wave Imaging, which used to be called West Coast Radiology, they deny my ultrasound. And even to now, they still playing their little games. Cruelty to humanity, if you want to call it, or just to me. I don't know. I'm sure there are other people who have suffered. Do not ever take a nitrofluorantine 100 milligram MRCR. It's saying that you have UTI when they're giving it to the pregnant woman. And a lot of women wrote about it. They had miscarriages. And now they have a different name similar to that, but you got to be careful. And also, they're trying to get me to take a high blood pressure right now. And some of them is not really good when you're pregnant. There are some that you can take, I guess, if you're pregnant, it's not harmful to the baby and whatnot. But some can be harmful to the baby. So you wouldn't want to take the whatchamacallit, the high blood pressure medicine. I googled about it, but there's several that is not recommended to take if you're pregnant. But anyways, when I went to the doctor, several times they even tried to give it to me. So, oh, take this, and we'll come back and take your blood pressure, see if it went down. And anyways, here it is. That's a proof that I was pregnant, and I never got to have this baby. And it's still in my stomach, and even if after all these 4 years, they're still denying my help and care. And it's just a miracle. I don't know what's going to happen to us. I will keep it updated if I can. If I'm still alive and in this world, I will keep it updated and let everybody know that we are okay or what happened to us. I don't know. If you don't see anything, perhaps you know what happened to us. Well, hopefully the humanity is kind to you, and healthcare is taking care of people who is in need, not discriminating, not hurting people intentionally. All right, take care. Bye.